Looking for the ultimate budget mono car amplifiers to elevate your bass game? You're in the right place. Stick around as I break down the top 5 picks, starting with number 5. Spoiler alert, number 1 is an absolute beast. Don't forget to subscribe for more car audio tips and reviews, and check the links in the description for the best deals on these products. Let's get started. Number 5. Hifonics D-X-1800.1D Zeus Mono Channel Car Amplifier. The Hifonics D-X-1800.1D Zeus delivers an impressive 1,800 watts of peak power at 1 ohm, 900 watts at 2 ohms and 450 watts RMS at 4 ohms. It features a variable low-pass crossover with a frequency range of 10 Hz to 300 Hz. It also features a 0 to 12 dB bass boost, and a bass remote for on-the-fly adjustments. Built with a durable aluminum heat sink and solid internal components, it's designed to handle intense bass sessions while maintaining sound clarity. This amp is a powerhouse for anyone serious about their bass. I've installed it in setups where big sound was non-negotiable, and it never disappointed. It's a bit bulky for smaller vehicles, but the sound quality makes the extra effort worth it. Number 4. Planet Audio AC 1500.1M Monoblock Car Amplifier. The Planet Audio AC 1501M offers up to 1,500 watts of peak power at 2 ohms, and 750 watts max at 4 ohms. It outputs 1125 watts RMS at 2 ohms and 563 watts RMS at 4 ohms. It includes a variable low-pass crossover with a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. It comes with a switchable bass boost and thermal protection to prevent overheating. Its compact design and lightweight build make it easy to install, while the included bass remote provides convenient control. This amp is a great choice for mid-level audio builds. It balances affordability with solid performance, and I've used it in setups where clear, punchy bass was a priority. It runs warm under heavy loads, but proper ventilation keeps it in check. Number 3. Taramps Bass 402 Ohms Monoblock Amplifier. The Taramps Bass 400 is a compact and efficient amplifier, delivering 400 watts RMS at 2 ohms. It features high-efficiency Class D technology, built-in low-pass and high-pass filters for precision, and a minimalist design that fits into the tightest spaces. Despite its small size, it offers a clean and controlled bass output. Its frequency response is rated at 8 Hz to 250 Hz. Don't let its size fool you. This amp is a gem for compact cars. I've used it in setups where space was a constraint, and it delivered surprisingly tight and punchy bass. The limited power output might not satisfy bass heads, but it's perfect for smaller setups on a budget. Number 2. Boss Audio Systems R1100M Monoblock Car Amplifier. The Boss R1100M delivers 1,100 watts of peak power at 2 ohms and 550 watts max at 4 ohms. It includes a variable low-pass filter with a frequency response of 35 to 160 Hz, a bass boost feature rated at 0 to 18 dB, and a remote control for easy bass adjustments. Its MOSFET power supply ensures consistent performance, and its compact design makes installation straightforward. This is an excellent choice for beginners entering the car audio world. I've installed it in numerous setups, and its reliability makes it a go-to for first-time upgrades. The durability is a bit less robust than higher-end models, but for the price, it's hard to beat. Number 1. Skar Audio RP1200.1D Monoblock Class D Amplifier. The Skar Audio RP1200.1D is a high-performance amplifier with 1,600 watts of peak power at 1 ohm and 1,200 watts RMS at 1 ohm. It boasts a fully adjustable low-pass filter with a frequency response of 20 to 250 Hz, a bass boost rated at +6 or +12 dB, and a bass remote for precise control. Its robust heat sink and durable MOSFET construction ensure reliable operation even during heavy use, making it a top-tier choice for audiophiles. This amp is my personal favorite for budget-conscious bass lovers. It's reliable, powerful, and delivers clean, room-shaking bass that's perfect for high-performance systems. It's slightly pricier than others on the list, but the premium performance justifies every penny. And those are my top 5 budget mono car amplifiers for bass. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more car audio tips and reviews. Also, check the links in the description below for the best deals on these products. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.